The beard was kept by all the prophets that Allah, God, had sent to mankind. Noah, Abraham, Ishmael, Isaac, Aaron, John, Jesus, and Muhammad, peace be upon them all. Although Muslim men follow the commands of the Prophet, peace be upon him, and grow their beards, here are some amazing facts recent researchers have stated regarding health benefits of having a beard. Prevent skin cancer. Recent researches in relation to UV radiation protection provided by the beards by University of Southern Queensland in Australia have shown that 95% of UV rays from the sun are blocked by beards. Beards block up to 95% of the sun's UV rays, which can play a huge role in preventing basal cell carcinomas, the most common form of all cancers. 4 out of 5 cases in men appear on the face, head or neck, and the sun is to blame for up to 90% of the visible signs of aging. Reduction of asthma and allergy symptoms. According to a doctor at the Allergy and Asthma Care of New York, if you suffer from pollen or dust allergy or even asthma, facial hair actually helps by working as a filter and prevents the allergens from settling. This is not much different from nasal hair. Your nose hairs trap more than you think they do. In addition to what you see in a tissue, nose hairs trap pollutants that could actually cause your body harm. So, the more hair you have under your airways, i.e. the bigger the beard, the more pollutants you're preventing every day. Blemish-free skin. When you do not have ingrowths, razor cuts and other such skin problems, you have a blemish-free skin. Foregoing the razor doesn't just hide blemishes, it actually prevents them. Razor rash, acne and folliculitis, hair follicle inflammation, are often caused as a result of shaving, said a doctor, a fellow of the Osteopathic College of Dermatology and a dermatologist at the Ohio State Wexner Medical Center. Razors can irritate the skin or even spread bacteria, causing an infection of the hair follicle. Natural moisture. Your face has its own built-in moisturizer regimen. It's called your sebaceous glands, oil glands for short, and it also secretes a natural oil that keeps skin moisturized. A thick beard not only prevents you from rubbing it off your face, but it also protects your face from wind exposure, which leads to redness and dryness. Stay young forever. Here's your secret to naturally lessen signing of aging. With lesser sun exposure, you can actually continue to look younger. Stave off illnesses. When it gets biting cold during fall or winter, the beard will keep you warm and can actually help you battle colds as well. The longer the beard, the better insulation you get. Reduce infections. You never have to worry about bacterial infections, ingrowths and folliculitis, infection of the hair follicle causing spots, with a beard. These infections are occupational hazards of regular shaving.